Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to create a free website using Google Sites in 2025 step by step. Now, Google Sites is one of the easiest tools for building a clean and simple website without any coding or any hosting fees. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on sites.google.com. Then the first thing that you need to do here is to simply log in with the help of your Google account. Now here on the home page itself, you are going to see a bunch of different start a websites option. So these are basically the pre-made templates. You can also click on the option of template gallery, and as you can see, for free you are going to get bunch of different categories related templates. So you can either choose any of the templates that are given over here that you want. For example, if you want to create a restaurant website, you can just scroll down a bit and look for the restaurant template. You can right away click on it and it is going to open the template format in front of you. Now once it is opened successfully, you can just simply start typing the name of your restaurants, and then you can just start uploading the images. For the text, you can use ChatGPT, and in the right hand section you will see a bunch of different editing options as well. So you can hover over to these and you can just make changes into this particular template. Now let's assume that you want to create a completely blank website. So for that, come here on the home page again. Now click on the option of blank site. Now as you can see, the blank site is going to look something like this. Now the advantage of the blank site is that you can just use your creativity and make a very good website with the help of your creative designs. So here, first give your website a name. After that, select your page title. Now you will have to start adding some of the images. So you can either upload images from your desktop, or you can also click on the option of select, and you can select any of the galleries that is given to you by Google, which is also absolutely free. You can see we have Gemini option as well, so you can use it. Now scroll down a bit and click on the option of text box. Now in this text box, you can type any of the paragraphs. Then for that paragraph, you will see a bunch of other options like changing the text, changing the font, increasing or decreasing it, making it bold, italic, underline. So as I've told you earlier, it depends on your creativity how you are going to design your template, but you are going to see all of the options in the right hand section. So once you are done with creating your website, simply click on the option of publish on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you will get the web address which you can basically use to promote your Google sites. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.